Anna, Bill, wake up. It is morning.
Wow. I feel so good.
Come downstairs for breakfast.
Yes, Grandma. Wow, I see sandwiches. There are eggs and vegetables.
And 2 glasses of milk for breakfast. All the food is from our farm.
Wow, awesome. Do you grow lettuce and tomatoes, Grandma?
Yes, I grow them. Do you want to plant with me today?
Yes, I want it.
Breakfast is finished. Let's go to the farm. This is lettuce garden.
Wow, it is very big and green.
Now, can you help me plant lettuce here?
Yes, of course. I am ready.
Okay, watch me first, then you do it.
Yeah!
We dig the soil, plant a seed, cover the seed with soil.
We dig the soil, plant a seed, cover the seed with soil.
And we give it water, doll.
When will the plant grow, Grandma?
About 1 to 2 weeks.
Wow, that is fast.
Okay, finished. Let us go to corn garden.
Wow, this is the corn garden now. Wow, the corn garden is very big.
Watch me first, then you do it.
Let's plant corn together.
We dig the soil, plant a seed, cover the seed with soil. We dig the soil, plant a seed, cover the seed with soil.
Now, let's plant tomatoes. Yeah!
This is the tomato garden.
Oh, the tomato garden is very big. Wow, I like tomatoes.
Okay, watch me first, then you do it.
We dig the soil, plant a small plant, cover it with soil.
We dig the soil, plant a small plant, cover it with soil. Why do you plant a small plant? Because we use a small plant, it is faster. Oh, Grandma, can I pick a tomato to eat?
Of course.
Wow. It is so juicy. What plant is yellow, Grandma?
This is wheat.
What do we use wheat for?
We use it for bread and pasta.
For lunch, we will have wheat pasta. Yeah! We like it!
Okay, Anna and Bill, help me harvest vegetables.
Wow! This mushroom farm looks great.
First, let us pick mushrooms. Watch me first, then you do it. We pick the mushrooms. Put them in a basket, and done.
We pick the mushrooms, put them in a basket, and done. That is so easy. 1, 2, 3 mushrooms. Yay! 4, 5, 6 mushrooms. Grandma, look! My basket is full!
Good job, my grandchildren.
Now, let us go to the cabbage garden.
Wow, this cabbage garden is very big.
Let's harvest the cabbages.
Woo!
Watch me first.
Then you do it.
We cut the cabbage, take off old leaves, and put it in a basket.
We cut the cabbage, take off old leaves, and put it in a basket. Grandma, this cabbage is so heavy, wow!
1, 2, 3 cabbages, okay enough. Next, let harvest eggplant.
This is Eggplant's garden.
Wow, this eggplant is very big.
Okay, like before. Watch me first.
Then you do it. See it?
We pick the eggplants and put them in a basket. Now, your turn.
We pick the eggplants and put them in a basket. Are you done? Yes, Grandma, we pick many eggplants. Okay, let us go to the potato garden. Awesome! The potatoes garden is very big.
All right.
Watch me first, then you do it.
We dig the soil, take the potatoes out, and put them in a basket.
We dig the soil, take the potatoes out, and put them in a basket. Anna, look, I have a big potato. Wow, it is very big. Let me try it. Oh, this is so small.
Haha, it is okay, Anna. You tried very hard.
Grandma, I want to try harvest carrot.
Oh, that good idea. Let's go. This is my carrot garden.
Wow, the carrot is very big.
What will I say before we start?
Watch me first, then you do it.
We pull the carrots, clean them, and put them in a basket.
We pull the carrots, clean them, and put them in a basket. Ugh, it is so hard. Oh, I did it! Anna, your shirt is dirty. We have many vegetables now. Let us go home and make lunch. Yeah, I am so hungry.
Woohoo! Pasta is from wheat.
Ow! Wow! All the vegetables we harvest today. Potato, cabbage, and eggplants. This meal is great. We love you, Grandma. I love life on the farm. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Bye-bye.